We're gonna raise money for FWB at the casino. If you guys ever worked in retail, you know when the store's about to close and the customers are coming in last moment. Just for the vlog's record, I'm gonna dedicate. This looks like I'm giving my sentence hearing. As I'm talking to Zohair right now, who's in that opposite room. Yeah, just for the record, I want to dedicate Thursday to Zohair playing Age of Empires.
Yes, but also it doesn't suit you, we'll just cut the part out.
9 o'clock, I'll set the alarm. Alright, that concludes my hearing. We'll wait for the decision.
Over and out.
Guys, my housemate wants to play Age of Empires with me, and he doesn't have the mouse or anything installed yet, a Wi-Fi setup. You're acting like you just got laid. Johnny Sins? Johnny Sins?
Johnny says
Okay, so that's Johnny Sins. That's Dennis. Johnny Sins. Dennis, see the resemblance? Cool. And this is the whole convo. You probably know him as well. Do you get that a lot? Do you know the guy Johnny Sins? Do you? No?
No.
When you smile,
Yeah.
you look like him. And he's famous for memes. Johnny Sins.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
No, it's a good thing.
It's a good
It's a good thing. Absolutely a good thing. What are you talking about?
Thank you for the compliment. I really don't know.
I'm about to show Dennis what Johnny Sins looks like. Does this not look like him?
Yeah, but he's bad. Actually, I know this guy.
This guy,
I
he's
saw
the
him,
internet
but-
sensation.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Guys, I'm with a celebrity. I just played FIFA with a celebrity. What do you think? Do you think he looks like you?
Yeah, a little bit. But you need to show me the memes. I
Oh,
have
okay,
no idea
okay.
what he's doing, to be honest.
Yeah.
I think he also has a YouTube channel.
Tomorrow we're going. It's official. Me, Mikey, Billy, and Alfredo. We're gonna raise money for FWB at the casino. So we can steal you for an hour, 2 hours tomorrow?
I need to chat with my lady. Oh, as always. You guys sure that you can win or not? Come on.
We got it, amen. We got it, bro. $40. Let's head out of here right now. All right, guys, the verdict is here. We won.
We
Wait,
won?
Are
No.
we missing one? Yeah.
I won.
So
I won this money, boys.
we won $160, guys, and we're gonna use it towards Fabricio's registration for football. And
shatter the perfect design. Ripped realities of broken minds. Towers rise to meet, and yet it's laughing. I know it won't be long. I know it won't be.
Pretty sure for every month, at some point of your life, you dreamed of being a Johnny Sins, right?